Today I want us to talk about Sweatcoin, and I also want to show you how much money I've made so far, right? And also, if you want to make money on Sweatcoin, make sure you stick around until the end. I'll show you how you can also make money on Sweatcoin. So I've been using Sweatcoin since 2023 as far as I remember, and this was my first video about Sweatcoin, guys. So if you're new to this channel, guys, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell icon on, so you'll get a notification every time when you drop a new video. So without wasting any time, let's start. Okay guys, little bit about Sweatcoin. If you do not know Sweatcoin, right? Sweatcoin is like you work to get paid, right? So there was misunderstanding. So people, they thought like you work and they convert these Sweatcoin steps into money, but that's not how you make money on Sweatcoin, guys. To make money on Sweatcoin, you must invite people. So as far as how I said, I want to show you how much money I made, right? Let me go to right here. So you can see I've been a member since May 6, 2023, right? So far I invited total of 102 people, and the steps is to 21 million, right? At least 21 million, right? So this is how much money I've made, right? So I didn't withdraw my money yet. Yes, I didn't withdraw my money, but if I want, I can just take my money. So far I can withdraw 45 US dollars, right? 45 US dollars, right? So can if I can invite at least 1,717, I'll get 1,000 US dollars, guys. So this is how you make money on Sweatcoin. You invite people, right? You invite people to get paid, right? The second way to make money on Sweatcoin is to to convert your steps into their economic token. So they have a coin in crypto. No, it's not a coin, it's a token, right? So they have a token called Sweat Economy. So at the time of recording this video, that token is trading at 0.04 rand. Yes, 0.04 rand, guys. So what they do, they convert your steps every day. When you walk, they will convert your steps and they will transfer it to a wallet, right? So there's other app of Sweatcoin, they like a crypto wallet, almost like a crypto wallet. So they convert your steps. So as you can see right here, so far today there's nothing. So let me show you right here. So far I can see September, October. So you can see right here I've been so you can see they've been converting my steps, converting my steps. So I can create new video on that, on how you can make money with that, how to convert your steps into their coin, and later on you can take that coin, that token, and sell it so you can make some money. Because it might be hard for some people to refer. I know to refer people is so hard, guys. So my link will also be in the description, guys. So if you want to join, make sure you check the first link in the description, you join and you start working to get paid. So there is this other app that you can use to get paid without inviting people, right? So if you want me to create that video, please comment down below and let me know. I'll create a new video about that, guys. So let me know what you think about Sweatcoin, guys. How much money you've made on Sweatcoin, and are you still using Sweatcoin? Please comment down below and let me know.